Welcome back to Codin. So guys, I hope you all are taking care of yourself and enjoying the videos that I am posting for you. So in today's lesson, what we are going to discuss, we are going to discuss about some of the more queries and some of the more commands that we use in SQL. So today we are going to discuss about the statement that is the select command. Basically, what is the purpose of select command? What are different ways through which we can use the select command? What are different combinations? How we can reorder the columns? How we can check eliminating the redundant data? How we can select from all the rows? How we can specify some rule? We are going to just discuss about these things, and then further we are going to move in every detail of the command, because each and everything what we are going to use, we are going to use the select statement. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please do like it, share and subscribe to my channel. Already on my YouTube channel I posted short videos for you: C++, Java, Python, HTML, CSS, and every video which is useful for you, important summary videos and everything that is useful for you. So guys, if you like the content that I post, please do like it, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started with the video without wasting any time and understand the concept of select command. Now coming to the very first thing, that in the previous case what we have discussed about the create table command in my previous video. Now today we are going to discuss about select command. So basically already we have created a table. Now from that table we want to assess some data. So how we can assess that data? What is the basic things that we need to require, and what is the command that will help us fetch the data? So basically the select command of SQL query let us to make queries. So basically when I'm talking about a query is a command that is given to produce certain specified information from the database table. I just tell you one example. Suppose say there is your college data, or you say your school data. So the teacher just want to assess the content, that is your roll number and the name. So what it will perform, it will perform a single query. Based upon that query, it includes your name as well as your roll number. So accordingly that data will be fetched. That is called as a query. So basically there are various combinations of select statement that we can use. So basically this is the syntax whenever I'm using a select statement. That is first of all select keyword, then the column name, then there can be number of column names, comma comma accordingly, then from, then the name of the table, from which table basically I need to assess the data. So here as you can see I have a employee table present over here. From this employee table I want employee number and the employee name. So what I will just write the command select employee number, employee name from emp. Basically that is the name of the table. So here you can see I have written emp. You need to check the name of the table, that either it is in which uppercase letter or small case letter. What is the exact name of the table, then only you have to fetch the data. If you are writing some other table and selecting the command, it will not work. So as soon as I will put this query, so the output that you can see on the screen, this will be printed to me. That will just show me the employee number and the employee name. I've just shown you some 2 to 3, as it will show all me the contents, but this is just to tell you that it will just show me the employee number and the employee name. Then the next thing is that what we can also do, we can also perform the query based upon any other thing. Like first of all I have written over employee number, the employee name. What I can also do, first I can write employee name, then I can employee number. So basically according to that the information will be displayed to me. Now one more important thing that we keep to need in mind, that if I want all the content from the data, like all the columns of the database, so what I need to do, I do not need to define each and every column. Just I'll simply write select star from employee. That will display me all the contents that were available in the employee table. So this is the way which we can perform a select statement. Now comes the part that we have performed a query, that is with the help of the select statement. Now we need to come at a part that where we want to reorder something, we want to distinguish something, we want to eliminate something. So based upon that we have some facilities available. As I told you already about reordering, means as the way you will write the query, the result will be obtained accordingly. So here as I have showed you the reordering column in query result. So basically what it will select job, comma employee number, comma salary from employee. Basically what it will show, first of all the job, then the employee number, and then the salary. Means as we will write the query, the result will be displayed to us according to that only. This is the eliminating the redundant data. Whenever talking about eliminating the redundant data, that means I want to remove the duplicacy of the data. So whenever I want to use the duplicacy of the data, what we are going to use, we are going to use a distinct command. So by default the data is selected from all the rows of the table, even if the data is to be appear to be duplicate. So for that what we use a distinct keyword, eliminate duplicate rows from the result of a select statement. For example, let's say we have a suppliers table that stores the name of cities and suppliers. We want to see the city names. only. Means there will be multiple number of cities because supplier will be from every city and the name will be accordingly. So I just want to know the name of the cities. So multiple city is a one city may be having multiple supplier. So what I just do, select distinct city from supplier. Means I have used a distinct keyword with the which name, that is the city, which will just show me all the cities that were present in that particular supplier. This was the supplier table. As soon as I performed this approach, that is the query that I performed, select distinct city, it is only just showing me the city of that supplier table, that is no duplicacy is provided. In the output there could be no duplicate row whenever distinct is used. Only one null value is returned in the result, no matter how many null values are encountered. And that we have is the using of the all keyword. Now if in place of distinct we want to use given all the results that attain the duplicate output, so for that what we are going to use, we are going to use a all keyword. So it is similar to the distinct keyword, but when we specify all is essential to a clarifier. So like if say you can see I've written a query over here, select all city from suppliers. So basically what is the purpose? It will give the value of city column from every row of the table without considering the duplicate entry. Means it will work as a similar manner, but in the distinct and what is the difference between the all, that it just specifies same as whether neither distinct nor all. Basically this is the purpose of the all keyword. Have is the where clause. This is the most common clause that we always used in each and every statement of the select queries. In every statement we are going to use this clause in the upcoming queries that we are going to perform. So whenever I talk about a where clause means there is, we need to views or we need not views all the rows, we only want to view some certain rows. So in that case we will specify a condition that where clause in select statement specify that criteria, only that rows I want to get displayed. So basically what is the syntax of this where clause? First of all the select statement, that the column name from table name where the desired condition. So as you can see over here I have taken that employee table only. So from that employee table I just want to select employee name, salary from employee where salary is greater than 2900. So basically when I have specified this condition where salary is greater than 2900, that means the query will perform only that results and only show me that results in the output in which the salary is more than 2900. So as you can see, whatever the salaries will be more than 2900, only that content will be displayed to me. As you can see in the output, this was the content that was displayed to me which have salary more than 2900. So this is the way through which we use a where clause. So there are various ways through which we are going to use the select queries, and how we are going to perform grouping, how we are going to use the relational operator, logical operator, and other condition and other matches. So I'm going to explain you in the upcoming videos. So for that, do subscribe to my channel so that you get every notification whenever I post a new video. And don't forget to check out the previous video that I posted on Sunday, that is about the Excel trick. And also I've completed my 100 videos today. So keep supporting and keep smiling. And if you are new to my channel, please do like it, share, subscribe to my channel, and also you can follow me on my Instagram page. So see you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling and keep supporting. Thank you so much.